So what are nouns? Nouns are the name of people, place, animal and thing, and they are also known as naming words. Nouns act as a subject, an indirect object, a direct object, a subject complement and an object complement. And sometimes nouns can also function as adjectives and verbs. So nouns can be of different type. जितनी भी चीजें we see around us are nouns, right? Nouns sometimes can be adjectives and verbs too, but rarely. Okay, now can anyone give me examples of noun?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Arohi.
Ma'am, name, place, animal, thing like Goa.
Goa, good.
Ma'am, tiger.
Tiger, okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
any name.
Tiger,
ma'am,
right?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
any name
table.
of person, place, animal, or thing.
Huh?
Ma'am, table.
Huh?
Ma'am, table.
Table, okay.
Ma'am, and Ria.
What else?
Ria, name.
Okay, Ria.
Ma'am, beauty.
Beauty can
Ma'am,
be an... Huh?
abstract noun.
Beauty can be an abstract noun, yes. Acha, tell me, can beautiful be an abstract noun?
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful is an adverb, not an abstract noun. Okay, so this is what noun is. Now talking about types of noun. Types of nouns. We have first noun we have as proper noun. Pehla noun is proper noun. All this you all have studied, so I will move quickly. Just give me the answer and we will move forward. Just quickly
Ma'am,
give me the answer.
proper noun means the specific name of a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, India, Ganga, then Kapil.
Good. They are the nouns that are used to name a place, person, animal, or thing specifically. Not animal, but thing. One thing very important about proper nouns are that they always begin with a capital letter. They always begin with a capital letter. Yes, Sudiksha, have you understood proper nouns क्या होते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
They name a person, place, animal or thing specifically. Specifically name करते हैं person, place, not animals. Like horse is a common noun, right? Or proper? Who will answer?
Ma'am, common noun. Ma'am,
Horse is
common
a,
noun.
yes, horse is a common noun. So we cannot say कि animals are proper noun unless and until हम horse का कोई नाम रख देते हैं like राजा or badal. If we name a horse, that is proper noun. But if we say horse, that is a proper noun, no common noun. Okay, now tell me, see, if I say a teacher, will it be a proper noun?
Ma'am, common noun.
No, a teacher is not a proper noun. Okay, so now Sudiksha, you give me 2 examples. Beta, any example of proper noun?
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar.
Okay, Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Can you please spin yourself?
Yes, Arohi, I want you to give an example.
Ma'am, student.
स्टूडेंट नो दैट इज अ कॉमन नाउन आरोही स्टूडेंट को हम स्पेसिफिकली नहीं बोल सकते ना हम एक स्टूडेंट की तो बात कर नहीं रहे व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ स्टूडेंट आई एम कैटेगराइजिंग देम और आई एम जनरलाइजिंग देम बट एक स्टूडेंट की लाइक आरोही की बात मैं जब करूंगी दैट विल बी अ प्रॉपर नाउन व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट आरोही अलोन दैट विल बी अ प्रॉपर नाउन बट बेटा स्टूडेंट बोलूंगी तो वो प्रॉपर नाउन नहीं होगा क्योंकि मैं स्पेसिफिकली एक स्टूडेंट की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स नॉट इवन अ ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट बट आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड स्टूडेंट जो कि एक जनरल वर्ड है ठीक है आरोही
Yes.
Yes.
so student is not an not a proper noun yes Srishti one example of a proper noun
Ma'am, India.
India okay what else
Ma'am, Ganga.
Ganga okay if I say river will Arohi will river be a proper noun
No, ma'am.
no yes if I say Ganga that will be a proper noun
Yes,
so
ma'am.
Diksha one more proper noun name one more proper noun is this a proper noun
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
how yes school can school ever be a proper noun if I talk about school और मैं school का नाम नहीं ले रही हूँ that means I am generalizing or categorizing the schools मैं एक proper particular school का नाम नहीं ले रही हूँ I am just saying school that means that is a common noun एक school का नाम लूंगी when I talk about like केंद्रीय विद्यालय if I say Kendra Vidyalaya School or St. Joseph's School, St. Joseph's School, that is a proper noun because मैं एक स्कूल का पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक नेम ले रही हूँ बट अगर मैं सिर्फ स्कूल लिखूंगी that will not be a proper noun. Clear, Sudiksha? School
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
common noun. Okay, proper noun सबको समझ आया? It is a
Yes, ma'am.
name of a person, place, and it take nouns that are used to name a person, place, animal, or thing specifically is known as proper noun. Clear to all three of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, what is the next noun?
Ma'am, common noun.
Common
Noun,
noun.
yes.
Ma'am, please pin yourself.
Ma'am, you have to pin me from your side. Long press on me and there will be an option, pin option. Done, Arohi?
No, ma'am.
बेटा लॉन्ग प्रेस ऑन मी, मुझको आप लॉन्ग प्रेस करके रखोगे, देयर विल बी एन ऑप्शन, पिन ऑप्शन.
Ma'am, we can all double click on you.
हाँ, double click also and check if I'm getting pinned or not.
No, ma'am, it is not.
But beta, we cannot pin ourselves from our side. You have to do it.
चलो जाने दो, आज क्लास लो, फिर हम देखते हैं बाकी। हम जब क्लास लेते हैं तो हम अपने आप को पिन कर देते हैं, सबको दिखाई देता है। शायद ये वाला ऑप्शन भी होता होगा कि उनको पिन कर दो, और अभी तो नहीं हो रहा।
Can now, Arohi, can you see me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Srishti, am I visible to you?
Yes, ma'am, because I have pinned you.
Yes, Arohi, is the problem solved? I have made myself on spotlight. Can you see
Yes,
me
ma'am.
now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have common noun. Okay, tell me what is common noun. Tell me what is a common noun.
Ma'am, a general name.
Name of a general person, place, animal or thing is known as
Common noun.
common noun.
Connector.
Or group also. If we talk about groups, that are also common nouns. So, name of a general people, place, animal or thing or group is called common noun. See, collective noun में group, there's a different thing, and in this group is a different thing. अच्छा, you don't write group, otherwise you will get confused, because आपको मतलब नहीं समझ आएगा and you will get confused. So, name of a general people, place, animal and or thing is called a common noun. Okay, some examples. So, Diksha. Yes, so Diksha.
Ma'am, umbrella.
Umbrella. Okay. Yes, Srishti. Give me an example of common noun.
Ma'am, a river.
A river. Okay, river. Yes, Arohi.
Ma'am, hospital.
Hospital. Okay. Okay, if I write this. City, hospital. Will this be a common noun?
No, ma'am.
No. This is a proper noun. Okay, any other example?
Ma'am, student.
Student, city, student,
Ma'am, country.
country,
Book.
book.
Ma'am, will it a planet?
हाँ बेटा,
Will it a planet?
Planet, हाँ, planet can be a common noun. Okay,
मैम अगर planet का एक नाम बोलेंगे तब वो
that
proper
will be
noun
a
होगा.
proper noun. Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, if we say like that, it is a proper noun. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next noun is collective noun. Collective noun. Can anyone tell me collective noun क्या होते हैं?
Ma'am, group.
It is a noun used to name a group of people, person, animal, or thing. Not place. Group of place कभी किसी ने सुना है?
No, ma'am.
Collective noun is a noun, is the name of a group of people. Used to name a group of people, animals, or things. Okay, now examples.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
for
can I give example?
Yes, give.
Ma'am, a team of players.
A team of players, very good.
ma'am, a class of student.
A class of student, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम ये जरूरी है कि ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल ही हो या फिर ग्रुप ऑफ कुछ भी हो सकता है जैसे
बेटा ग्रुप
फिश
ऑफ
का
पीपल,
ग्रुप.
एनिमल या थिंग कुछ भी हो सकता है. अ बंडल ऑफ स्टिक्स, अ बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स, ये सारी तो थिंग्स है ना, इनका भी ग्रुप कलेक्टिव नाउन कहलाता है. एनिमल्स, अ फ्लॉक ऑफ शीप्स, दैट सॉरी, हाँ.
मैम क्वायर ग्रुप.
A choir of singers, choir ना, this choir, you
यस
are talking
मैम.
about this
मैम
choir.
मैम क्रू ऑफ सेलर्स.
A crew of sailors, a class of students. Wait.
मैम अ स्वार्म ऑफ लूकस.
Yes. And what else?
A fleet of sheep.
पार्लियामेंट ऑफ आउल्स.
A parliament of house. Very good. Give me some example of group of things.
मैम
Bunch
अ
of,
बंच ऑफ पेन.
A bunch of pens, a bouquet of flowers,
a bunch of grapes.
a bunch of grapes. Okay. A pile of books, है ना?
Yes.
A pack of cards. So these are some examples of collective nouns. Now listen, will you say that this whole is a collective noun? Will you
Ma'am,
say
what?
that
No.
this whole, huh?
मैम ओनली टीम.
Only team, only class, only bouquet, only pack. These words are the collective nouns. Clear? Because they name a group of people, person, animal, or thing. Clear?
यस मैम.
To all of you?
यस मैम.
Okay. What is the next noun that we have?
Material noun.
Material noun, okay. Arohi, check your book. Which noun is the next?
मैम abstract noun.
Abstract noun. Okay, I will teach material and abstract both. Is concrete noun also there, Arohi? Check.
No, ma'am, but my class teacher has explained this.
Okay. See, material nouns are the nouns name of raw substance or matter from which things are made. From which things are made. So, it is a name of raw substance or matter from which other things are made. You can see, touch or taste these materials, but you cannot count them. You can touch, see or taste these materials, right? You can see, touch, taste, but cannot count these materials. Okay, now see some materials like example.
Ma'am, silk.
Ma'am,
Leather.
iron.
Yes.
Iron.
Iron, yes.
Ma'am,
Gold.
silk.
Huh?
Gold.
Milk,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
silk.
water.
silk, okay. Milk and silk both can be material noun.
Ma'am,
Yes,
water.
Water can also be a material noun, correct?
Ma'am,
Sidiksha,
gold.
I want you to answer.
Ma'am, hair.
Hair? Yes, beta, what are you saying?
Ma'am, hair.
Hair?
Ma'am, cotton.
Cotton can be material noun.
Ma'am, gold.
Gold, right?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, cloth.
ma'am, wool.
Huh?
Wool.
Wool, even wood, and okay,
Ma'am, rock.
rock can also be a material noun. Okay, so is material nouns clear to all of you that they are the name of raw substances or matter from which things are made? You can see, touch, taste, but cannot count these materials. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is the next noun? Abstract noun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have abstract noun. Does anyone have any idea about abstract nouns?
Ma'am, abstract noun are the nouns which we feel.
Okay, feel, ठीक है, हाँ.
Ma'am, we cannot see it.
We cannot see these, okay.
And cannot touch. Ma'am, we cannot taste, see, and smell it.
Right.
We can
But
just feel.
But we can feel and think it, right? We can feel and think of abstract nouns.
Yes, ma'am.
So, abstract noun is the name of a quality, action, feeling, or idea. These are the things we cannot see, hear, touch, taste, or smell. We can only feel or think of them. Clear? So,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
तो दीक्षा abstract noun
Yes,
पता है
ma'am.
क्या होता है बेटा? We cannot see, touch or feel, smell or taste them, but we can feel it, like anger, love, hatred. All these feelings we feel, right? When we are happy, happiness की feeling होती है, joy की
Pride.
feeling होती है, sadness, anger. When we are very angry on someone, we have a feeling of anger, right? We have a feeling of jealousy, envy. All those feelings and qualities are known as abstract nouns. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now give me some examples.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
harmony.
Huh?
Pride.
Ma'am, harmony.
Harmony, okay.
Ma'am, pride.
Pride, very good.
Ma'am, stillness.
Huh?
Ma'am, stillness.
Stillness, okay.
Ma'am, wisdom.
Wisdom, right.
Ma'am, neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
Ma'am, kindness.
Yes, kindness can be.
Ma'am, pain.
Neighborhood also is an abstract noun.
So, ma'am,
Ma'am,
agriculture.
Then what did you say, Srishti? Kindness. So Diksha, I want the one example from you.
Ma'am, agriculture can be abstract noun.
What, beta?
Ma'am, agriculture.
Agriculture is not an abstract noun. No, beta, it
Ma'am,
is not.
ma'am, time is.
Anger.
It is not an abstract noun. It is a common noun. Agriculture is a common noun. हाँ, so
Ma'am,
Diksha,
Ma'am, anger.
noun.
anger can be a abstract noun, okay. Honesty. Can honesty be an abstract noun?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am, time can be an abstract noun.
What bit?
Ma'am, time.
I-M-E, time.
Yeah.
Yes, time can be an abstract noun. We cannot
Ma'am,
see,
information.
wait, we cannot see, hear, touch, taste, or smell time, but it is a Pakesh, 40 minutes late to the class. Now what will you learn? It is an idea. Time is an idea. So time is an abstract noun.
And
Ma'am,
ma'am, information.
Yes, what beta?
child.
Ma'am, information.
Information can be an abstract noun.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Child?
childhood.
Ma'am,
Yes, childhood can be an abstract noun.
ma'am,
So Diksha, switch on your camera. Yes, Pakesh, what happened?
can I turn the light?
Go switch on. You have already joined the class 40 minutes late. Okay.
Ma'am, bravery.
Yes, bravery can be an abstract noun.
Ma'am, steadfastness.
Steadfastness can be an abstract noun.
Ma'am, patience. Ma'am, painless.
Paininess is not any word.
Ma'am, help.
Help can be an abstract noun.
Ma'am, happiness.
Help can be an abstract noun also, और एक और चीज हो सकती है help. Can anyone tell?
Ma'am, verb.
Yes, help is a verb also. Very good, Arohi.
Ma'am, happiness.
Huh?
Happiness can be an abstract noun.
Is happy. Yes, beta, happiness can be an abstract noun. It is a feeling, it is an emotion. So it is an abstract noun. Okay, what is the next noun that we have?
Ma'am, concrete noun.
Okay, concrete noun. Concrete noun is very easy. It is anything that you can
Ma'am,
see
I'm
by your
writing.
5 senses. Yes, Sudiksha. So, concrete nouns are the nouns that you can feel by your 5 senses. Feel, touch, smell, taste by your 5 senses. अपने 5 senses से आप क्या कर सकते हो? What all things you can do by your 5 senses? You can feel
Ma'am,
by your
see.
skin, you can taste by your tongue, you can smell
Ma'am,
by your
here.
nose, you can hear by your ears, and what else?
See.
See by your eyes, yes. So it is the name of any person, place, animal, or thing that you can physically experience using your 5 senses. That you can see, touch, hear, टेस्ट और स्मेल. तो हम ये सारों को क्लब करके लिख दे रहे हैं एक्सपीरियंस यूजिंग योर 5 सेंसेस, क्योंकि 5 सेंसेस के हेल्प से क्या करते हो आप?
Ma'am, feel.
What do we do with our five senses?
Ma'am, we feel, we hear, smell, see.
Taste.
टेस्ट, यस. तो ये सारी बातों को लिखने की जगह आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग यूजिंग योर फाइव सेंसेस, विच मीन्स हियर, स्मेल, सी, टेस्ट and touch. So any animal, anything, any place, any person that you can experience by using your five senses are known as concrete noun. Anything that you can see, hear, touch, smell or taste is a concrete noun. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo.
Ma'am, it is also, ma'am, means it is almost common noun.
It is almost common noun, yes, but also proper noun. Like if I say Arohi, Arohi, I can touch you, right? I can see you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is a proper noun too.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, examples.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
like
teacher.
Huh?
food.
Ma'am, teacher.
Teacher, okay.
Ma'am, principal.
Principal also, right?
Ma'am, food.
Ma'am, nurse.
Apple, pizza, nurse, wood. All these
Ma'am,
are,
ketchup.
huh?
Book.
Ketchup.
Ketchup can also be an example of concrete noun. Okay, so concrete noun समझ आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood very clearly?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. See, one example. Is time a concrete noun?
Yes, ma'am.
How can time be a concrete noun, Arohi? I just told you that time is an abstract noun. It is it is an idea. You cannot physically touch time or see time. You can just feel time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clock.
Ma'am.
अगर मैंने बोला clock या watch, that is a concrete noun. Clock ko you can touch, you can see, you can feel. So that is concrete noun. Ha, Sudiksha, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I can't understand the material noun.
You cannot understand material noun. बेटा any raw material जिससे हम लोग चीजें बनाते हैं, like हम लोग gold से ज्वेलरी बनाते हैं ना,
Yes, ma'am.
तो gold जो है वो material noun हो गया. With the help of water, we make so many things using water, right? We add water in our food, we drink water, so water is also a raw material. तो water भी एक material noun हो गया. Now if talking about milk, we make tea, we make coffee, we make different things of milk. So जो चीजों से कुछ चीज बनती है उनको हम material noun कहते हैं. Clear?
मैम जस्ट लाइक मड से वो पॉट बनते हैं.
हाँ, mud से pot बनते हैं, so mud is a common material noun. Any other example? Give me, Sudiksha.
मैम पिज्जा बेस.
Pizza base, okay. So yeah, all these are the examples of material noun. Okay, now what else is there? Quickly tell me.
Ma'am, countable, uncountable noun.
Countable and uncountable nouns, okay.
मैम आई एम राइटिंग.
हाँ बेटा?
मैम
Okay,
आई एम
okay,
राइटिंग.
okay, write and then tell me, I will move.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Countable and uncountable nouns, as the name suggests. Countable nouns are the nouns that we can count. वो चीजें जो हम using numbers count कर सकते हैं, उनको हम countable nouns बोलते हैं. See, they are the names of items that we can count using numbers. They have both singular and plural forms. वो चीजें जो हम numbers के help से count कर सकते हैं, like pencils, books, chairs, apples, dogs, students. ये सारी चीजें जो हम count कर सकते हैं using numbers are known as countable nouns. Example में books,
Ma'am, pen.
pen,
Ma'am, speaker.
speaker, okay,
Ma'am, pillow.
pillow,
Ma'am, water bottle. Ma'am, clothes.
bottle,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, blanket.
clothes, okay.
ma'am, books.
We can count. Yes, Pakesh, what were you saying? Bolo beta.
Ma'am, book can be example.
Book is an example of countable nouns. See, if I write happiness, will happiness be an example of countable noun?
No, ma'am.
We cannot count happiness. We can never count happiness. Like 1 happiness, 2 happiness, 3 happiness. कभी कर सकते हैं क्या?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good evening. You are so early for the class.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, you want to wait? You can wait or rejoin the class at 6, sorry. Okay. So, happiness we cannot count, right? अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि how happy you are, तो आप ये बोल सकते हो ना I'm very happy or I am very sad, but you cannot say I am 2 happy, I am 3 happy, I am 4 happy. कभी ऐसे बोलते हो?
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, right? We say I'm very happy. We cannot count happiness. We cannot count our feelings. So countable nouns are the nouns that we can count using numbers, and they have two forms, singular and plural. Singular means one, plural means more than one, more than two, sorry, more than one or two. So that is plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one, like book and books, pillow and pillows. So the दो forms में होते हैं, singular और plural forms में. Clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we have uncountable nouns. See, uncountable nouns are the nouns that we cannot count using numbers. We cannot count materials. Like अगर हम कोई material count कर सकते हैं क्या? Can I
Yes, ma'am.
count milk? Can I count milk or water?
No, ma'am.
Can I count materials like rice and sugar? They can be
ma'am.
measured. They can
No,
be
ma'am.
measured, but they cannot be counted. Like 1 sugar, 2 sugar, 3 sugar count नहीं हो सकती है. But yes, we can measure it like 1 kg, 2 kg. But उसको counting नहीं बोलेंगे. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See, they cannot be counted and they do not have a plural form. They, very important thing, they do not have a plural form. इनका कोई plural form नहीं होता है. They exist singularly only, like rice. Rice का कभी rices सुना है क्या?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever heard of the word rices?
No, ma'am.
No, right? So rice exist in the singular form only. अगर चाहे 1 kilo rice हो चाहे 2 kilo rice हो, that is rice only. Water. Water is an uncountable noun. Have you ever heard of the word waters?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
So they do not have a plural form. They do not have a plural form. And now see some abstract nouns like knowledge. Knowledge is an uncountable noun. We cannot count knowledge. Honesty. Honesty is an uncountable noun. We cannot count honesty, right? So ये भी uncountable
Yeah.
noun होगा. हाँ? Beta, you are not audible. Who is speaking?
Ma'am, angriness.
Angriness नहीं होता, anger होता है. Anger is also an uncountable noun, right? और
Ma'am, here.
and इनका भी एक rule होता है. They do not use. Sorry, we do not use, or we cannot use a or an. We cannot use a or an before them. हम उनके पहले a और an नहीं use कर सकते. See, for example, we have, yes beta. Who is speaking? हम लोग milk नहीं बोलते हैं, an milk नहीं बोलते हैं, हम लोग बोलते हैं some milk. We say some milk or a lot of milk. इस तरह से बोलते हैं. We don't say an information. हाँ बेटा. Who is saying ma'am?
Ma'am, little milk.
Little milk also we can say, right? अब knowledge है. Knowledge को हम लोग ये नहीं बोलेंगे ना a knowledge or an knowledge. We say a lot of knowledge or very little knowledge. So हम लोग
Ma'am, more knowledge.
हाँ
More knowledge.
हाँ more knowledge. हम लोग ऐसे words use करते हैं. So countable, uncountable भी clear हो गया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छे से have you understood Arohi?
Yes, ma'am.
Rakesh, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Srushti, what about you?
Yeah, ma'am.
And Sudiksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pakesh and Arohi, beta, you both can enroll. Your trial classes are over. हाँ beta, who's saying ma'am?
Ma'am, in my grammar textbook, the noun chapter is not there.
Noun chapter is not there, okay, but additional information is never a waste. So ठीक है, नहीं था तो आपने पढ़ लिया. आपकी ट्रायल क्लासेस चल रही हैं. जब आप इनरोल कर लोगे बेटा तो आपका सिलेबस लेंगे और आपका सिलेबस फॉलो होगा. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
इनरोल
मैम
कर
हम
लो तो
लोग
फिर
के
आपका
क्लास में ग्रामर की टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है।
ग्रामर की टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं होगी बेटा, बट ग्रामर स्कूल में सब्जेक्ट तो होगा ना।
नो मैम।
सृष्टि, डू यू हैव अ सब्जेक्ट ग्रामर इन योर स्कूल?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा होगा सुदीक्षा, नाउन,
नो
सेंटेंस।
मैम।
But we don't have a grammar book.
हाँ, grammar book, CBSE is not having grammar book these days, but they have a subject, curriculum चलता है ग्रामर का। ओके सुदीक्षा, नो प्रॉब्लम, आप नाउन्स और ये इंग्लिश पढ़ सकते हो बेटा। इंग्लिश तो सभी को पढ़नी है ना, ग्रामर बुक क्यों हटा दी गया, क्यों सब्जेक्ट हटा दिया गया, आई डोंट नो, बट इट विल नेवर गो इन वेस्ट। और इंग्लिश एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन ही है, बाकी आपका सिलेबस ही फॉलो हो रहा है।
यस मैम।
Okay, thank you so much for joining. You all can leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम।
Join on time tomorrow. Pakesh, please,
Yes, ma'am.
please join on time.
Yes, ma'am. I was.
5:05.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, leave the class.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय मैम।
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Hanji Devansh, good evening.
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
What were you doing? Class 7th में क्या कर रहे थे बैठकर?
क्लास 7